Hi guys, today in this video I am gonna tell you how to pin a comment in your YouTube video. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, open YouTube app. Here tap on the above right corner option. Here tap on your channel option. Here tap on videos option. Here you will see all the videos of your channel. So open the video you want in the comment. So let's suppose this one. So here I am typing a comment. Let's suppose nice video. Now tap on three dots option and here tap on pin. Now pin again. So this comment has been added to pin option. If you want to pin the comment of your viewer, so for this open YT Studio app and here come to comments. Tap on the comment you want to add to pin and here tap on three dots and here tap on pin option. Now tap on pin again. This has been added to pin. So I hope you will like this video. So please subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Goodbye.